Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of this. On the application of Pinterest, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will write the name of the application of Pinterest. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.